So hi guys, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to my channel. Let me just go into this light. So yeah, it's not a vlog. It is not a vlog, not as yet though, but I do want to show you guys how I did this hairstyle from last year or something like that, and I wanted to show you guys how I get my cut crease and bling. So I hope you guys do enjoy the video. So I have my burgundy hairdo. So I want to do a burgundy look, cut crease like thingy. So I did one on off camera, and then I'm gonna show you how I do it. And then of course, you know, I'm gonna do my foundation and whatnot. All right. So to prime my eyelids, I'm gonna be using my LA Girl Toffee. Why I use this because it kind of look a bit lighter than the fawn, and I have suede. I think it's suede. I don't know it right now, but I think of that. So I'm gonna use this because I want the shadows to pop. But I have to go buy one lighter one of this because, child, I need them eyeshadows to pop, as in pop. Anyway, let's go. This on my eyelid. Damp Beauty Blender. And just blend it out. For this look, I'm going to be using this AMUSE palette here, and of course I'm going to be playing with the JUVIA'S palette as well. So let us go into the burgundy in this one. So it look. Yeah man, you can go and so I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to use this one. Alright, so let us go. All my brushes, as I always say, all of them are from Amazon. So let us dip into it. Let me get my smile glass because I always do that something here. And remember, say me and this glass in front. Alright, so let us start with the corner. Dark color, and then I'm going to put it right in the crease area. Alright, this is dark enough now. No, I'm going to go in a SANTEE, the SANTEE palette here for the, I don't know if you know them palette here. You can go on affordable palettes. Alright, so the brown in there, that is this one. I'm just going to dip it in there because I just want right here it's a little bit darker. See? Alright. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go inside this brown here, and is it brown? I'm just going to dip in it, and I'm just going to put this right here for the transition color. And of course, to find out, I think I found out, you know, but makeup people, you know what I mean. Transition shade. Yeah. Yeah, this are the color I'm gonna use when I cut my lid. Yeah. So for my brow bone, I'm gonna take another blending brush, and I'm going to dip into this shade here, and I'm going to put it right on top of the transition shade. Still have to go darken the crease here now, you know. See that the brush I use for going back in the dark shade to kind of carry, because if you notice me kind of lose some of the pigment. Alright, so now we're going to cut the crease. We're going to cut the crease. I'm going to use the toffee to cut the crease, and I'm going to use my small glass because I hope so. Yeah, so just watch me. Put it right here, so. So sometimes when I see some of the makeup artists them do, before them cut the crease, them kind of wipe it off. But honestly, I kind of want to rush now. So for next time I do that trick there. Alright, so we're finished with cutting the crease now. I'm going to use a flat top brush. Yeah, flat top brush. This is the color that I'm going to put in on the lid. Wait, I'm not ready for darken up the side. Hold on, so I'm pack around. I'm going to take a small brush and I'm going to go inside. Oh, let me go inside this shade first, the burgundy shade. Is it? Look. This come like me come out too far. The point here, so. And the point here, so, you see? I'm not going to tell you no lie. I'm not going to show you how I put on my eyeliner because it's a struggle. When I actually perfect it, not 100, but at least 85%. I sure say I have to comb down my highlight, my eyelash them. I'm sure I have to comb them down to put it on. But I'm not even going to try to put it on. I'm not even try to do it on camera because I waste of time that. So, and yes, this is we now. Alright, that's how I look now. Them lash here, see? I'm going to want a while I take to draw this poor eyelash, this eyeliner. Alright, so I use the AMUSE eyeliner and my lashes, them here. What? I never said that before. Anyway, so let's move on to the skin for my moisturizer. Alright, so today I'm going to try something new, right? But I think when I see somebody use this follow fashion, you know. That's like the milk of magnesia. But I'm so nasty. I see somebody use it. Remember who me see but the amount of people me watch. Cha! About YouTubers me watching the big up on a nice clean self YouTubers. I'm not lie, you have to big them up because I them make you can do something. Yeah, chat about, so I'm going to put a little bit. Right, so I know my oil more, most. Right? But not put a whole heap, you know. I always oil it right here, so I follow fashion, but don't. No. Try it, and if it works for you, it works for you. But it's not. Well, I'm good. Right, let me know. I just take it out. Well, I'm gonna put on my sponge. And do like this. Yeah. I'm gonna show the proper way. You can leave it in the comment section. Makeup people, leave it in the comment section. I'm wait for the right something. I do. Alright, and put a little bit up here. So, do this. Because I want the makeup for last. Them say it will help the makeup last. When I do my next video, I will make you know if it actually works. Please note, say not all the time I do this, because you make it matte, you know. Blouse and skirt Rupert. Hey, I know. Hey. No, sir. That shoot, it look like it's a matte for you, though. Yeah. So in the part that when I know I get oily. Oh, yes, I do. We'll use it. Alright, I cover it, and then does it really wipe it out? I don't know. Let's hope say my foundation covered, cause yeah. Tell me how much you give me. I don't know. Stop look in there. So tell me how much you give me. Honestly, tell me how much you give me. Literally, you can go on talk truth. You can do a little thing, man. Yeah, so that is it for the video, guys. I do hope you enjoyed. If you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Share the video with your family and your friends. Make sure of course you subscribe for more content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.